How to set up fleet in Valor portal. Start by heading to Merchant Management and building your merchant's profile. Once you've created the profile, go into the active profile to complete the setup. Make sure the profile includes an MCC code. Valor provides 20 different options related to the fleet platform. You'll also need to choose from 2 certified device types, VL500 or VL550. Be sure to choose Bypass as the processing platform. This is a requirement. Then select Fleet as the module. This allows the merchant to activate fleet products directly from the Fleet tab in the Settings module. Once the profile is set up as an ISO, you can go into Settings and then Fleet. Open the drop-down and view your list of merchants. You can search for the merchant by name and access their fleet settings. From there, locate the items you want available on the device. Click the vertical ellipses, edit, and set the item status to active. You can also add a unit price. For example, if it's a miscellaneous item, set the status to active and enter the price. It will reflect automatically. Merchants can follow the exact same steps from their login. Under Settings, Fleet, they'll see the same options and layout, just like the ISO. How to use Fleet in point-of-sale device. Now let's look at how this reflects on the device itself. No downloads required. On the terminal, head to the service station. You'll see a fuel pump icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to view the available product categories. For example, if you select fuel, you'll see both self-service and full-service pricing options. You can also enter a specific dollar amount or choose a quantity in gallons, since this is for US fuel stations. Let's say the vehicle takes 15 gallons at $3.25 per gallon. That totals $48.75. Add it to the cart and click the cart icon at the top. You'll see the added products here and the total at the bottom. Including the custom fee, the total comes to $50.21. Once you proceed to payment, a pop-up will appear where you can either remove the fee or confirm the transaction and present the card to complete the sale. This entire process is simple and efficient for both ISOs and merchants, as long as the correct information is entered and the right modules are enabled.